How to make money with Traffic Partner for beginners. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. For this video we will discuss about Traffic Partner and how this advertising network works, some pros and also some cons, some things about their conditions, payments, and many more important subjects about Traffic Partner. So first of all, what is Traffic Partner? Where Traffic Partner is an advertising network for monetizing mobile and also desktop web traffic. This network was established in the year 1997 and it offers networking service in over 50 countries worldwide, which includes regions of all continents. Headquarters of Traffic Partner is located at Venlo, Netherlands, and their jurisdiction comes under region of Hamburg, Germany. So how it works? Well, users have to sign up in the platform as publisher to be able to get approval for their website that they want to monetize. Traffic Partner supports all popular methods of affiliate commission like CPL, CVM, CPC, Rev Share, CPO, and even hybrid models. All popular advert marketing formats are accepted in this platform like display, banner, pop, push, email, video, reg, excels, CEO, and CEA. As the revenue and marketing commission, the publisher will be paid their advertising commission according to the performance of the adverts published on their website. This will be approved by the advertiser, of course. The network itself will track and confirm that the ad performance is error-free, rule-abiding, and are result-oriented. The referral commission. Traffic Partner have a referral program in which a network pays 10% in commission of the referrals total payout for first 6 months. There is no minimum or maximum limitation in the fixed 10% commission. Publisher will earn zero commission if their referrals payout is zero. Publisher will earn 1 million euro if their referral will cash out 10 million euros. Now the limits. Referral program is not for a lifetime. Adverts are mostly focused on dating, which are normally not for family or children based websites. Payments are paid only in euro. And now about their restrictions. Such activities are not allowed, like spyware, VPN, proxy traffic, streaming, and torrent sites. Anything like violation of any third-party rights, placing any context that promotes illegal hate, and all of these are strictly restricted. Such activities are only allowed if they are properly mentioned. Adware, incentive traffic, virtual currency traffic, and SMS marketing. Email marketing is only allowed if the receivers of email give prior consent and have the right to unsubscribe anytime. As a European network, this platform is governed by laws of the European Union. This includes GDPR and the other laws. The TNC, especially contracts and merchant partnership of this network, are based on the laws of Germany. Now about the payment. The minimum payout limit is 50 euros for all accounts that are operating under IBAN BIC system, and for all other accounts it is 100 euros. The payment method has to be settled with the network attributes the commission concerned through the selected payment method. A downloadable electronic credit note is issued at 15 days frequency of every billing period, but this will only be used after verification of required data. So guys, if you are interested in more info about Traffic Partner, you can log in, and also you can make an account if you don't have one by clicking right here at the right top corner, login and publisher sign up. So guys, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section down below, and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.